Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, friends, I hope that you all are more observant than yesterday. आज आपके लिए थोड़ी सी सरप्राइजेज हैं एंड आई विल एक्सपेक्ट दैट कल की जो बातचीत थी या जो सेशन था उसके नतीजे में यू आर मोर विजिलेंट, यू आर मोर ऑब्जर्वेंट. So we will start from a question today. Why we offer Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim from whenever we start a new thing? Did you observe that we start with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim? Very nice. Anyone else? Everybody is thinking, या nobody is thinking? हम क्यों कहते हैं बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम?
सर ताकि अल्लाह ताला हमारी मदद करें.
माशाल्लाह. और कुछ जवाब?
Sir, because Prophet peace be upon him said that any important work or any work that begins with Bismillah is perfect.
Good answer. Anyone else for different saying the same thing? Can we think something else?
सर कुरान पाक में क्योंकि कुरान पाक में सूरतें बिस्मिल्लाह से शुरू होती हैं.
Very nice. और कोई जवाब? This is a different answer, so I like it. Any other idea? Why we say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim? We take permission from Allah Taala के जैसे होता है ना कोई बड़ा बैठा होता है तो हम पूछते हैं कि may I start sir? आप परमिशन लेते हैं ना, तो अल्लाह ताला से परमिशन लेने का ये है कि यू एक्नॉलेज दैट ही इज देयर, और जो भी काम आपने शुरू करना है तो आप पहले परमिशन लेते हैं. ऐसा ही होता है ना?
यस सर. यस सर.
हाँ, जब आप जैसे कहते हैं ना इंग्लिश में कहते हैं कि मे आई स्टार्ट, टीचर से पूछते हैं या पेरेंट्स से पूछते हैं कि मे आई स्टार्ट, इसी तरीके से ना जब अल्लाह ताला से कोई चीज़ की परमिशन लेनी होती है ना तो अल्लाह से के नाम से हम शुरू कर देते हैं. वी एक्नॉलेज दैट आवर एक्टिविटीज आर बीइंग वॉच्ड बाय ऑलमाइटी अल्लाह, तो हम बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ते हैं. इसके साथ क्या पढ़ते हैं? कुछ और भी तो पढ़ते हैं.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम.
इससे पहले क्या पढ़ते हैं? हाँ, वो क्यों पढ़ते हैं?
सर शैतान से सेफ रहे.
हाँ, जैसे मोटर बाइक पर जाते हैं तो हेलमेट पहन लेते हैं ना पहले, वी रिमेन सेफ ड्यूरिंग द एक्टिविटी. तो पहले हम शैतान से ना प्रोटेक्शन में आ जाते हैं अल्लाह ताला की, अल्लाह ताला से परमिशन ले लेते हैं एंड देन वी स्टार्ट. ठीक है ना? और एक आपकी होम असाइनमेंट है जो आपने कल मुझे बतानी है. हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर इन बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम? बे एक लेटर है, सीन एक है, जैसे मीम है, ये कितने हैं टोटल? हाउ मेनी आर देयर?
7.
ये आज नहीं, ये कल हम जब डिस्कस करेंगे ना तो यू शुड डू सम रिसर्च टू फाइंड आउट एंड लेट्स शेयर एंड फाइंड दैट आप खुद कितनी रिसर्च कर सकते हैं. ठीक है ना? नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द फॉर्मल लेक्चर फॉर टुडे. There are two words which are there on your screen. Can somebody read for me?
Education, knowledge.
And can you see a cat in education?
Yes, we can see it.
Did you see it earlier also in your life?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Did you notice that there is a cat in the education?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What is the second word?
Knowledge.
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 And can you see an owl there?
Yes.
Yes.
How many words are there in knowledge?
Yes, sir.
How many words are there in knowledge?
No.
No.
Four.
Three.
Four.
Two nose, an owl,
Four.
and
There are four words.
Edge.
Okay.
2.
Nine.
no. Are you
There is no.
There are three words.
Owl and edge.
Sir, there are three words.
There are three words, there are
owl,
four
and
words, or
yes.
five words. Okay,
So
how
there are
many
five
things?
words.
There are five words. Say there are
Yes,
five
sir.
words.
Okay, who all think there are five words?
Tell me.
Okay, whosoever thinks there are five words, they should say it one by one. And at rest, everybody should listen to them. Listen to him.
Okay, so may I tell?
Yes, please.
No, like
No.
no one, and
Now.
no, no, now, owl, and edge.
Why do you think that there are five words? It is one word, it is knowledge. Why you
But-
think there are more words?
Sir, because. Yes, sir.
Okay, I just want to draw your attention towards one thing, that sequence is very important. You understand? Sequence. The position of the letter makes a new word. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So please remember that sequence is very important. This is one of the trick which I am sharing with you. Sequence
Yes, sir.
is important.
Yes.
Sequence, okay? Because it gives new meaning, and what we have done today is in this slide, we have provided you more opportunity to see the same word differently. And it has been made possible with the sequence. Okay? So you have to be
Yes.
very, very careful while you utter, say, or read a word. So you should be conscious. You should be very observant in saying some word or reading some word or writing some word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We move forward now. All those who are attending this lecture for the first time, my name is Naveed Zafar, and I am here to teach you certain tricks which will help you to succeed in life. Okay? Okay, today's topic is change and make a difference. This lecture will be in two parts. We will be covering this first part today, and second in the next lecture. Okay? So what is so special? What is so special in this slide? Anything which is special?
जैसे anything special in this slide क्या पूछ रहे हैं वो उनकी स्लाइड देखो
Okay, there are two words. One is change, one is making, and the another word for change is difference. That change make the difference. Difference in what? Anybody?
Different in
Anything. Can change anything.
Difference in life, in way of living.
Yes. Keep saying.
Difference in personality.
Do changes occur naturally?
Yes.
Naturally, like, give me an example.
Like over time, soil around the rivers erodes naturally. So it's
Okay.
a change.
Is change a good thing or bad thing?
it's a good thing.
It can be both.
It can be both. Yeah.
And what
It
if
can be
there is
both.
what if there is no change at all? Is it good or it is bad?
Bad.
It would be good.
So what would you like to do? Would you like to change things? You would like to maintain things, or you would like to do something else with the change?
I would like to maintain things.
Change should occur.
Change
A, ma- a man getting old, is it a good thing or bad thing?
I think it depends on the perspective. Like if we view it in a good way or a bad way.
Okay, good answer. What else? Who else would like to answer?
It depends upon the change that what type of change it is.
Okay, that is good answer. Can you see a letter hang in change?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see a letter N, A-N?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
That means that you have started observing. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes.
So, do you think there is some link between observation and change?
um, hmm,
No. I mean yes.
Yes.
Do you find any link between letter change and observation?
Yes, that when we observe things very carefully, then we get to know another change of that thing or word.
Okay.
As a
Can
observing is environment.
good, very good answer. My next question to you is that can change be measured? Can we measure the
some ways, yes.
Yes.
do you there is an advantage if you can measure the change? It's some advantage.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you predict change?
Yes.
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 What is the name of that subject?
But meteorology.
Okay, that is one.
Biology and math.
Would you like to study a subject which can tell you exact change, what is going to be the situation?
Yes.
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 Sir, I also have another thing in which you can predict change.
Yes.
Economy. Economists predict.
If somebody knows a subject which can predict change, which can enable him to precisely indicate the change, do you think it will be a beneficial thing?
Yes.
You imagine that there is an engineer, for example, who wants to know that whether this aircraft will crash or not, if somebody can fly or not, or somebody predict when Corona will finish. So prediction is good thing or bad?
Good.
Good thing.
Good thing.
Sir,
Good thing.
Sometimes good and sometimes bad.
I mean,
Can be a good, sometimes can be a bad.
Okay. Talk about it by the end of this lecture. So change one should be able to predict. And teach our students one such subject. Very interesting. So we will talk about it later.
Sir,
Okay.
Pakistan studies.
No. Okay. Now coming to the next slide. Imagine that you observe something. You observe something.
सर मैं
You
बताता
don't. जी बेटा बताइए.
सर कलाम इकबाल मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है और मैं उसको एक शेर से प्रूव करता हूँ। जिसमें ना
जी
हो
बेटा.
इनकलाब मौत है वो जिंदगी, रूह है उमम की हयात कश्मकश इनकलाब।
Very nice. Very. जी बिल्कुल. Very nice. अच्छा इस स्लाइड में बेटा देखें कि we observe things. Some of the things we don't like. Then we think whether we should change that or not. Is it so? That we observe something, we feel it is not good, we don't like it, and then what we do, we think about it, and then we act to make changes. Do you understand this sequence?
Yes, sir.
Observation, liking, thinking, and changing. So how many things we need to know? That we observe things, we decide whether it is good or bad. After thinking, we decide that what action we should do to change that thing. ये बात आपको समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
We have not so far understood observation. We have just understood the reason why we observe. And today we will be talking more about the observation and then how we can use that observation to decide whether it is good or bad. We involve in the process of thinking and then we go and act to change that particular thing which is we don't like. Should we be doing it? क्या हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
तो ऑब्जर्वेशन के बारे में हमने कल थोड़ा सा इसको अटेंड किया था इस सब्जेक्ट को. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इट मोर इन मोर डिटेल्स. तो लाइक जो है ना वो पर्सनल मैटर होता है या इट इज फैमिली मैटर और इट इज द नेशनल मैटर?
Life, sir.
Like when you say I like it, what does it mean? That your family likes it, your religion likes it, your school likes it, your country likes it, or you yourself like it?
We ourselves like it.
So it depends that what is the thing which you are observing. It is personal thing, it is national thing, it is a religious thing, okay? And then we decide that whether we have to change. Now you can see that observation has a direct link with change. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how many things we should be observing? There are thousands, millions of things you can observe. So what are those things which should be observed? Who should do it? Why we should observe things? How they should be observed, when they should be observed, what we should be observing.
As we're living in 21st century, so we have to observe things in order to live and
Yes.
in order to have a good lifestyle.
Yes. Who should do this job? Everybody should be doing it. Few people should be doing it. What are those subjects which must be? Anyone? Who should do this job and कितनी चीजें देखनी चाहिए हमें?
We should.
ऑब्जर्व करने बहुत सारी चीजें ना ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए.
Yes.
So who should decide what should we be observing?
We should ourselves.
Ourselves.
All the subjects.
Actually, sometimes the religion should decide that where should we observe.
Okay, very nice answer. Who से क्या मुराद होता है कि कौन बंदा करेगा? Why is the reason why we should do it? हमें क्यों करना चाहिए? Where होती है लोकेशन कि ये किस जगह पे होना चाहिए? स्कूल में होना चाहिए, घर में होना चाहिए, बाजार में होना चाहिए? What mean क्या? These you must remember these questions. In all education, you must be asking this question: that why should I study this? अगर आपको कोई कहता है कि आप ग्रामर पढ़ें तो you should know why should you study grammar. If you understand why you should be reading grammar, तो उसका क्या एडवांटेज होगा आपको?
Our vocabulary will be increased.
Yes, you will find the reason, you will involve in the subject, you will be able to find by the end of the study that the reason for which I have studied, whether I have managed to get information about that or not. कि आप जो काम करना चाह रहे हैं वो आप कर सके हैं कि नहीं कर सके. Because this is your life, you are the students. बाकी तो आपको बता सकते हैं ना, but you should know why are you studying mathematics? Why are you studying calculus? Why are you studying trigonometry? Why are you studying grammar? Why you are being taught Urdu? You should know the reason. You should ask your teacher. You should ask yourself. If nobody is able to tell you, you have always a friend with you. Ask Google, why should I study mathematics? So Google will tell you that these are the reasons why you should learn mathematics. Why you should study grammar. What are the advantages you will get to study grammar? So you must know before studying that why are you studying a particular subject. Like why are you attending this lecture? So I shared with you that I will help you to develop a machine which will definitely help you to succeed in life. तो अभी जो हमने टॉपिक शुरू किया था कल वो ऑब्जर्वेशन का था. So you must understand why you should observe things, what advantage you are going to get. And yesterday there was a very good question from one of my friends who said that how we can improve. Remember? So today we will find that how we are going to improve. So you must know the reason. So observation is a very essential skill which all humans should have. The ability, the capability and the capacity to understand why we should make observations and how to make use of those observations. So you have to know the reason and you must know how to apply those skills which you will acquire. Okay? I am not getting a response. Are you getting with, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You must know the
Yes,
reason. Everything must be reasoned out. You must know. You should be very clear. And you should judge yourself that you wanted to learn this subject. This was the reason. Whether you have attained that mastery or that level of expertise what you wanted to do. ठीक है ना? तो हम इसको observation से हमने शुरू किया. And then we have decided that we should be liking or disliking it. We should thinking about it. And then we will try whether we should make some changes in ourselves or not. Okay. Yesterday we focused on this particular picture for a long time. It is again in front of you. There are so many things we can observe.
Yes.
And there are many things which can observe. We did observe that number of birds. We observed number of trees. We observed there are cycles. We observed there is water. We observed that there can be consequences if there is no water, if there is no air. We understood many things. But question is that how many things you can study? Did we study everything what we wanted to do? Did we miss out certain subjects? Did we miss out certain information? So there should be a system, there should be a mechanism, there should be some way that we get this ability to observe things from a very systematic way, within a system. Do you agree?
Yes.
हमें हमारे पास कोई सिस्टम होना चाहिए ना
Yes.
कि इस तस्वीर की जगह कोई और चीज हो. If you have another picture, so if you have a system, so any picture you will be able to analyze. Okay, so today we will find what can be those systems. Okay, and let me tell you that nature is always there to teach you system and many things. In fact, humans have learned everything from the nature. जो कुछ सीखा है वो नेचर से ही सीखा है हमने. इंसानों ने जो कुछ भी सीखा है वो नेचर से सीखा. ठीक है ना? ओके. Now imagine there is a person who is watching this picture. जो देखने वाला होता है इसे इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? ऑब्जर्वर. ओके. एक ऑब्जर्वर है जो एक चीज को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है. ठीक है ना? देयर आर टू थिंग्स. एक जिस चीज को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, लेट्स से इट इज अ मॉडल एंड अ पर्सन हु इज एन ऑब्जर्वर. सो हाउ वी कैन मेक अ सिस्टम जिसमें ये दोनों वो चीज देख सके, वो ऑब्जर्व कर सके जो उसने करनी चाहिए. तो इफ वी मेक समथिंग, some arrangement, so we can make a system for observation. What we can make? A system for observation. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now there are three possibilities. That you make the picture very simple, you increase the capacity of the observer, or you make arrangements in between, like in the form of books, some devices, some groups, some experts, which can facilitate you in getting the thing done. ठीक हो गया?
Yes,
कि
sir.
आप पिक्चर को भी आसान कर सकते हैं. ऑब्जर्वर की जो कैपेबिलिटी है, जो कैपेसिटी है, एबिलिटी है, उसको इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. और इन दोनों के दरमियान में वो चीजें भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं विच हेल्प्स यू टू ऑब्जर्व थिंग इन अ बेटर वे. क्योंकि हमसे पहले जो लोग थे उन्होंने भी अपने तरीके बनाए हुए थे ना. दे मेड देयर सिस्टम. सो व्हाट दे डिड, दे मेड दोज सिस्टम एंड रोट बुक्स. सिलेबस बना दिया कि अगर आपने केमिस्ट्री के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से चीजों को देखना हो तो यू गो एंड रीड केमिस्ट्री बुक. आपने अगर लैंग्वेज से देखना हो तो यू सी द ग्रामर बुक. आई होप यू आर विद मी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये जो आपकी एजुकेशन हो रही है ना, ये आपसे शेयर करते हैं. ए बुक इज अ बेसिकली अ हिस्ट्री बुक कि हाउ डिड न्यूटन ऑब्जर्व द यूनिवर्स. तो उसने क्या बनाया था? लॉज ऑफ मोशन. जो गलीलियो ने लॉ ऑफ कौन सा बनाया था? ग्रेविटी का. यस. सो जो जितनी भी आप बुक्स पढ़ते हैं ना, फिजिक्स की बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, केमिस्ट्री की बुक पढ़ते हैं, बायोलॉजी की पढ़ते हैं, दीज आर दी पीपल जिन्होंने अपने अपने एरिया के ऊपर सिस्टम बनाए ऑब्जर्वेशन के. एंड वट एवर दे फाउंड दे मेक बुक एंड वो आपको सिलेबस में पढ़ाया जाता है. तो डू यू वैल्यू योर बुक्स, द सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री? बिकॉज वहां पे आपको ना सारी बुक्स में दे ट्राई टू टेल यू दैट हाउ यू शुड डिफाइन समथिंग, हाउ you should follow, which law you should follow. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
और ऊपर हमने लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे
Yes,
लिखा
sir.
है कि what is to be focused, why we should focus, how it should be done, when it should be done, where it should be done. ठीक है ना? तो ये एक जनरल आइडिया है कि अच्छा, वी आर ट्राइंग, व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इज we are trying to increase your ability to think and observe. ये जो हमारा जो lecture हो रहा है ना, we are trying to give you and show you different ways and means कि books के जरिए आप अपनी observation बेहतर कर सकते हैं, आप ये devices के जरिए कर सकते हैं, experts के साथ coordination से उनसे discussion करके you can improve things. And what is the last thing which you can do? What is the best thing you can do? This is a very small, very pertinent question.
सर जब हम पढ़ते हैं ना, मतलब कोई भी सब्जेक्ट अगर हम पढ़ रहे हो तो उसके साथ साथ हमारे दिमाग में खुद ही सवाल आते रहते हैं कि ये किस तरह हुआ, ये कब हुआ, ये किस तरह, हमारे दिमाग में खुद ही सवाल आते रहते हैं.
Okay, very, very nice answer. What you can do that you can make your observation and you write a book for others. आप ये कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Can you be a researcher?
Yes.
Yes.
जो रिसर्चर पहले से न्यूटन या उनकी कोई 4 आंखें तो नहीं थी ना, वो भी हमारी तरह के लोग थे. But what they did, they concentrated on the nature. They found out something new. They shared with friends. Once everybody agreed, they published a book. इस चीज को कहते हैं रिसर्च करना. You research things once again, which has not been done earlier. So there are 2 words. One is that you do search, and the second word is that you do research. जो चीज पहले किसी ने सर्च करके रखी हो ना, वो आप ढूंढते हैं बुक में से. But if you want to do and find something new, so you carry out a research. तो जब आप PhD इंशाल्लाह करेंगे, जब आप हायर क्लासेस में जाएंगे, kindly think that you have to find something new which nobody has found out. तो आप रिसर्चर बनेंगे. अच्छा, yesterday I asked one question that what you would like to be. There was not a single friend who told me that he wants to be a teacher. इसकी क्या वजह? Why you don't want to be teacher?
Because you're telling the same thing. You're not researching the thing. You're just telling the things another person has researched.
So that means for you it is not important. You have better things to do. Is it so?
No.
Anyone else with any other answer? Why you did not want to be a teacher?
Sir, because we hadn't thought about being a teacher.
Okay, this is a topmost trick of the day. Kindly be a teacher. And you should teach yourself, not anyone else. Become your own teacher. You must understand first and teach yourself. Would you like to do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Don't be dependent upon
Yes,
anyone.
sir.
Just confirm from others, from your teacher, from your parent. Now everything is available to you on internet. Everything is available. If you have the quest, so you should have the question. Quest के क्या spelling होते हैं?
Q-U-E-S-T.
और question के क्या spelling होते हैं?
Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N.
Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N.
In question
Q-U-E-S-T-O-N.
क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्वेस्ट होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए?
होनी चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
It is there.
Yes.
So you should be asking question to yourself, and you should have the ability to find answer with yourself. Just confirm it from your book, from your teacher, from your parents. So whose responsibility is to know? It is your responsibility. Why it is yours? Because it is your life. You should be responsible to teach yourself. Okay?
Yes.
And everybody is there to help you out. Your school books, your school, your teacher, your parents, your mentor, your grandfather, everybody is there. They are already there. They are waiting for question that you ask a question and they will be able to reply you an answer. If they don't know, they will find it for you. So biggest challenge which a researcher has is to ask the appropriate question. So you can find answer to those questions. And then you will search and research both together to find answer. Are you with me? Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any guess how these books have been written? The books in front of you. How people write books?
What's it?
They have sources,
thoughts.
and then they paraphrase it, and then they write it.
Through the information they have gathered and their own findings and observations.
And how do they gather the information?
They first of all observe while doing research, then they compile their research and turn it into a book.
So can you find that somewhere there was some observation of someone which was put in the syllabus? Can you see the importance of observation? So observation is important, okay? So you have broadly understood that how do you observe as an observer, and you eventually go for the research. You also like to do some research also, and then you produce your own book. Okay. We all understand that we have organs in our body. You understand?
Yes.
When organs are organized, so we can produce one body which can produce results. Organs are organized. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes. They are organized into organisms.
And they collectively produce results.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what is the most important organ you have? Your brain?
Heart.
The
Okay,
heart and the
heart
brain.
is very important. What else?
Your liver.
Brain.
Very nice. Every organ is important because it performs certain function.
Every-
But they function together.
Mhm.
And there you can imagine that there are many systems within us. The breathing system, digestive system, blood circulation system. You know there are many systems. Is it possible that every system start functioning its own way? Is it possible? Whenever it happens, the man or person will fall
No,
sick.
sir. No, sir.
Whenever it happens, everybody falls sick. Okay. So we have to use our body as per our requirements. Okay. We have to use our brain as per requirement. But important thing is that we must be organized. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपने ना ऑर्गेनाइज होना है, अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज करना है.
Yes.
The way our body is, we have to organize ourselves, and we have to function as a system. We have just talked of system for observation. तो जो काम भी आपने करना है ना वो सिस्टम के तहत करना है. सिस्टम में जो काम बार बार करना होता है ना, जो बार बार, जैसे हमारा एक एजुकेशनल सिस्टम है कि ऑल स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, दे मस्ट अंडरगो टीचिंग, ट्रेनिंग, लर्निंग प्रोसेस. तो हमने एक सिस्टम बना दिया, एजुकेशन सिस्टम। लेकिन अगर आपने सक्सीड करना है तो यू हैव टू डेवलप योर ओन सिस्टम। जैसे बॉडी के अंदर सिस्टम है ना, आपने कि आपने अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे करना है, डिसिप्लिन कैसे करना है, आपने लर्निंग कैसे करनी है, आपने ऑब्जर्वेशन कैसे करनी है, तो यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन सिस्टम। ठीक है?
Yes.
So we will, this is slightly different concept. We will develop our own system कि learning कैसे करनी है। You should have a system of learning. No matter what you learn, what is the subject, but if you have a system of learning, then you can learn any subject. ठीक हो गया?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I will just share few of the systems which humans have made. Like वो जो picture थी हमारे पास, easiest way is कि आप चीजों को divide कर लें। Like ये जो सामने उस picture से मैंने 3 चीजें की। One is the tree, एक एनिमल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और एक उन चीजों के जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं। तो इफ योर इंटरेस्ट इज इन दी ट्रीज तो आपको बॉटनी पढ़नी चाहिए। अगर आपका लिविंग में है तो आपने जोलॉजी पढ़नी है। अगर आपका फिजिक्स में है तो आपने फिजिकल चीजों में करना। तो आपने बिगर पिक्चर को डिवाइड कर लेना। एंड द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज, जिसका हमने कल जिक्र भी किया था कम्युनिकेशन का, कि यू कैन कन्वर्ट द कंप्लीट पिक्चर इन 3 वर्ड्स, जिसे लैंग्वेज कहते हैं। कैन यू सी दिस पिक्चर एज नाउन, वर्ब एंड एडजेक्टिव्स? क्या आप देख सकते हैं?
Yes.
Okay, what somebody tell me what is noun?
Sir,
Noun. The naming
The
person.
animals.
Name of person, place or thing, feeling.
Noun is the name of anything.
So
What
noun
about
is the person, animal, or a city or a place.
Acha. And what is verb?
verb is a action word.
Action that describes noun.
It's
An action that is performed.
action. Verb is an action that
Verb is an action word.
Verb is an action.
It is an action that is performed.
Very nice answer, but can you say in your own words? No definitions from the book.
Verb is a word that defines an action that somebody does.
Okay, I would like to challenge you with one word. You have to say, is it so or it is not so? Verb represents change.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Who doesn't agree? Who all those who are not with me? Today there is a lesser participation, I guess. There are few people who are not saying anything. Verb
How
किसे
can
कहते
verb
हैं?
represent change?
You act and some change occurs. Like you walk, The change is in the place. Is it so?
Yes.
Sir.
The change is in time.
Yes,
The
sir.
starting time and the end time are different. A person who becomes fatigued by walking, he becomes tired.
Mm-hmm.
So kindly see a verb as a change. It causes a change. What kind of change it causes, that is very important. That we will study tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
And what is adjective, by the way?
Adjective
Adjective is the quality. Describes the quality of it.
Um,
Say a word that describes a noun.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है आप सबसे, ये जो ग्लास होता है, ग्लास, ग्लास जो है, इज इट हार्ड और इट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग?
Hard. It's hard. It's not
Hard.
strong.
Hard.
If you like throw
Hard.
it, it would shatter. So it's not
Okay.
strong.
And what about the rubber?
Rubber is strong, but
Rubber
not
is
hard.
strong.
Rubber is
But-
strong.
Not hard.
Yeah, it's not hard. It's soft. But it can.
Do you think that we humans also have some properties? Some are very tough, some are very weak, some are very soft.
Yes.
Yes.
So can we improve our qualities?
Yes.
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 So anything which can be changed is a variable or a constant?
What's it?
Variable.
Con-
Okay, we will discuss these
It's a
things tomorrow.
variable.
Okay. Now, last two slides. We observe things to discover things. What we discover, we put as a knowledge. Then we use this knowledge to invent new things. Some of these things are used to observe further things, and we make further discovery. We generate new knowledge. We make new things. We observe further, and this way the cycle of life continues. ये बात आपको समझ आई है?
yes, sir.
We observe things, we discover things. We arrange them as a knowledge. We use that knowledge to make new
Yes, sir.
things, and new things help us in observing more things, and this cycle continues.
सर इस साइकिल में एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन आ सकती है?
बिल्कुल आ सकती है. You observe and you confirm before putting it into knowledge, whatever you discover. Do you understand this picture? This
Yes, sir.
slide? If you understand this, you understand science, engineering and technology. ये जो लेफ्ट पे ग्रीन जगह है ना, जो डिस्कवर वाली है, दिस इज नेचर. We observe things from nature, we discover things. We put that knowledge, discovery into knowledge. Then we use the same principles, same materials to invent new things. And like Hubble space, it provides you more opportunity to observe, or microscope. And this way we generate knowledge. This is total science. Now you have to decide that if you want to be a scientist, you should have very unique observation. You should have the power to discover and through experimentation. You should be able to generate new knowledge. But if you want to be an engineer, you should be able to use the knowledge which is available to make new invention as per the requirements, which must facilitate the observation. But one thing is important: when you invent new things, it affects the nature. Because if you have smoke emitting vehicles, cars, it will affect the nature. So you will observe new things in the nature. What is the effect of smoke on the environment? So this way, everything continues. So you have to decide that how you have to observe, how you have to polish your skill for discovery, how you should be able to generate or arrange new knowledge, how to modify the previous knowledge, how to invent. Now, if you see that everything in this slide has been made by Almighty Allah. Allah has given us the observation power, made us. We can discover the thing which Allah has made. We can generate knowledge. We can make use of our intellect which has been given to us by Almighty Allah. And we can invent new things which are used for observation. So this way, science and religion combines. In Quran Kareem, we have been told to observe things. गौर व फिक्र करें आप बार बार. इन चीजों को, दिन रात के निजाम को देखें. अल्लाह इनवाइट्स के सी माई सिस्टम्स which I have made, so you can make your own system. In Allah's world, everything is very organized. Everything is very much organized. We must learn that how we have to organize ourselves, how we have to arrange ourselves, how we have to develop our system, so we can actually complement our abilities which has been given to us. So
Sir,
today,
when we gather the data, yes, sir, when we gather the data, it is in it is in raw form. So we also have to organize and analyze it first, make any discovery or make any observation.
Beta, it is a very good question, and I have a special lecture for you that how to convert data into wisdom. There are 4 levels. I will just mention as you have asked the question. Basically, you gather data, you convert it into information, then you drive knowledge out of the information, and then you improve your wisdom. So this is a continuum. It is not something in isolation. How to gather data, how to convert into information, how to draw knowledge out of it. We must understand what are the differences between them. How can we use wisdom? Okay. So this kind of arrangement, till the time we don't have, we will not be able to solve our problems, because we study things in isolation. Sometimes we have studied chemistry, sometimes we have studied physics, but in these series of lectures, what we are trying to do is to help you out to make sense of your education. You must understand the need of education. You must understand the ways and means to acquire that education, and you should be competent enough to apply that knowledge, what you get. So it is not important what you study. It is important how you study, how you draw benefit out of it. Because education is not only to get a degree, it is to get the knowledge first, and in the consequence you will acquire degree. You will it is not the main destination that you should acquire degree. Aim is that you must get the knowledge, and this knowledge will be help you to get the degree and job and everything else. Most important is that if you understand something, degree has to come to you, the job has to come to you. But only thing is that you must know, you must not deceive yourself. If you don't understand something, you have lot of means available. Go to the Google, and I will advise you that always study Google for kids. Go to Wikipedia. Till that,
सर देखिए, अब जो जिससे एक्सपीरियंस है, एक्सपीरियंस के लिए हमें जॉब चाहिए होती है और जॉब के लिए एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए होता है.
जी जी, वो बेटा ये सारी चीजें, ये अभी थोड़ा सा ना प्री मैच्योर है टू आस्क सच क्वेश्चन. Let this lecture be complete, so we will answer every aspect which you have.
Okay.
Okay. Now, before concluding, 1 or 2 slides. Allah Ta'ala has given us senses. Our ears and our eyes, let's say. We have 5 senses, although now they have established there are 17 senses, not 5, but commonly known as 5 senses. Okay? And you have 1 brain. If you are required to observe something, everything should work together. If your eyes are not concentrating what you want to achieve or acquire, your ear is not there, your mind is wandering, you will never be able to observe something. So we have to learn how to communicate with our mind. I mentioned other day, communication is a very important subject. You don't have to communicate with others, you have to communicate with yourself also. These are your organs, and you must know how to make use of these items. So the most important is the brain, the mind which we develop. So mind, whenever you have to concentrate, all these sensors you have, they must act together. If any of the thing will not be coming to this place, you will have a problem. Okay? Now, there are 4 steps toward, this is the last slide, for observation. First of all, you must attend to things. You must have heard that your teacher, your parents are saying, please pay attention, please pay attention. So attention means that all your sensors and your mind should concentrate on that point. If you do that, only your mind will provide you the resources to focus. Otherwise, your mind will not give you energy to focus. So you must know that how to concentrate your sensors and mind together. So your mind obeys your command and it provides you the resources to focus. And if you can focus on something, you will find good results. So important is to learn how to pay attention, how to use mind resources, how to do the focusing, and how to acquire results. So it is a continuum. So till the time you are not paying attention, your mind is watching a TV program in your mind, or your ears are listening to something else, you are fooling yourself. Your mind will never cooperate with you. Because mind understands what are your intentions. So you have to make yourself, commitment to yourself, that you really want to know this subject. So everything Allah has given you, and you have started with Bismillah, everything will aid you to learn that particular thing. This way your mind resources will enable you to focus. And if you are not paying attention, nothing will be in your sport. You will be just wasting your time, your parents' time. So choice is with you, that whether you understand, you really want to be expertise in something. So, and such like arrangements till the time you don't develop as a system in yourself, then it is very difficult to succeed. And if you really want to be master of something, you have to master this word. I will advise you, all those who are more curious, go and find the meaning of attention from dictionary, resources, mind, focus. There are many videos available on YouTube that how to pay attention. There are many techniques which are available. But you must know, if you don't pay attention, rest assured that you can pass the exam, but you will never become a master. So you can waste your time or you can make your time. This is all depends upon you. And this is the quiz for you. In front of you, you have 2 items. One, कुछ पत्थर पड़े हुए stones हैं और एक तरफ आपके पास carrots हैं. Can you make sense of this or can you make a story out of it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
try.
Sir, can I ask a question first? Story in the sense that you have to relate the both objects somehow, right?
Okay. Good attempt. There is no answer for it. There can be 10 answers. Let's hear your answer.
Okay, my answer is that the carrot and the rocks are related in the sense because the rocks, they basically form the soil and the soil forms...
Okay. I simplify the question. Are there 2 different things?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the difference? What is the difference and who told you they are different?
The difference is
One
that
thing we
carrots,
eat,
Well, once
one
the
thing we
carrots
eat
were living once, and the rocks were non-living.
sir, the
Okay.
difference is
Rocks
that
are
carrots
mined
are
in
vegetables
mountains
that
and
we eat,
carrots
and
are
rocks
grown in soil.
One is edible, the other isn't.
Sir, we can eat carrots, but we can't eat stones.
we can eat.
Okay. Any other question?
Carrots
Very
grow
good.
the rocks.
I am very happy that you are providing very good answers. But keep trying. What are difference? What are the differences? Highlight it. You
So
have
the
come up
difference
with
is
good.
that
Okay.
carrots. So
Their
the
color is
difference is
different.
that carrots are vegetables that we eat, and
Okay.
uh, uh, the rocks are non-living things that we can use as resources for
Good.
tools.
Good answer.
They're not edible.
Okay. Now my question is, what are the common things between both? These were the differences. What are the common things?
They are solid materials.
Okay. Good.
They both are resources. They
So yes,
both are
they both
resources.
are resources. In a way, they
Um,
both can come handy to us. Like the
Okay.
carrots,
both
they
are
are
found
resources in a way
inside.
that they can fill our hunger, and the rocks we can use as tools.
They
Okay.
both come
Good
from the
answer.
soil.
सर
They
दोनों
both
चीजें
come from the soil.
Any other thing?
They both come from the soil.
Okay. Good answer.
They both
well, in a
eventually
sense, they
start to
both can grow.
decompose. Sir, in a sense, they both can start to decompose. Like the carrots, they will start to rot, and the rocks, they will start to
Erode.
break or erode.
Okay. What else? Can you find, all of you, a systematic way to compare the things and we find similarity or we can find the differences? Should we have a system?
Yes.
And
Yes.
we should
Venn
have.
diagram.
And do you know that we already have a system? Like, let's say, we say that we will judge it from the physics angle. Both have weights. वजन है ना दोनों का?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sizes and dimensions है.
मैथ है
मैथ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी देख सकते हैं, अर्थमेटिक के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी.
सर दोनों
Can
चीजें
we-
मैटर है
हाँ, काउंट कर सकते हैं. So there are जितने subjects है ना, they help you to compare things, okay? But my question was, can we make a story out of it?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes.
Okay, let's hear a story, a creative story.
Once there was a carrot, and it was carrying a pile of rocks that it made a house out of it, and then he lived happily
Okay,
ever after.
we are slightly facing shortage of time, so I will just make one click and you will learn a new story. Ready for it?
Yes.
Now, does it make sense?
Yes. Yes.
A donkey can eat carrots and carry load.
Yes.
So what I did, that I just added and replaced the things their position. So everything in nature can be connected if your mind is working. Okay?
yes
So this was okay. This was all, and keep reminding yourself that we have to develop 3 secret machines, and we are already working to make first one. Okay. So if you have any specific questions, there were few people who were raising hand, but I did not have the control to ask them. They can ask this question now. So anybody with any question?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
I don't think so.
Are you ready for tomorrow? tomorrow we are going to talk about the change, how change actually happens, and what are the things which we can change. Anybody who is the host, kindly ये allow those people जो कि हाथ रेज कर रहे हैं. There are few hands I can see, but I don't know how to handle it.
जी सर, they want to ask something or
जी जी वो
share
कुछ पूछना
something.
चाह रहे हैं कोई. जी जी. Can you allow them to connect
Yes,
to the
sir.
system?
They are ready to do, sir. They
Sir?
only have to unmute their mics.
Okay. Okay. Who has to do it? You or me?
No, they will do, sir.
आपने. Okay.
Sir, I think nobody has a question.
Nobody has a question, so we can conclude it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Colonel Murtaza sir.
Yes, sir.
Colonel Murtaza, should we be winding up, sir?
आई थिंक इट इज टाइम इज अप. तो थोड़ा सा जब टाइम बढ़ जाता है तो लोगों की अगली कमिटमेंट पे सफर करती है. तो इट वाज अ गुड शो. बच्चों ने बड़ा पार्टिसिपेट किया और इनको आप वो जो सरप्राइज देना है वो बेशक आप इनको अनाउंस कर दें कि आपने इनको एक इनोवेटिव टास्क ये दे दीजिए कि दे शुड नाउ रिलेट दिस प्रेजेंटेशन टू कलाम इकबाल देमसेल्फ. और फिर इनमें से जो अच्छा रिलेट करेगा वी विल अप्रिशिएट देम. दे कैन रिलेट ईच स्लाइड और ईच थॉट टू इनके अंदर वो फिक्र इकबाल अगर जाग रही है तो खुद बहुत ये सोच सकते हैं कौन सी बात कलाम इकबाल में इनको रेलेवेंट मिलती है. इसके बारे में ये खुद सोचें.
ऑब्जर्वेशन के हवाले में. अच्छा मैं एक शेर बताता हूँ अल्लामा इकबाल का. उन्होंने कहा खोल आंख ज़मीं देख, फलक देख, फिजा देख, मशरिक से निकलते हुए सूरज को जरा देख. तो अल्लामा इकबाल हैज इनवाइटेड कि यू मस्ट ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स. तो एनी अदर कोई और शेयर करना चाहे हमारे साथ तो मे बी दे कैन डू इट टुमारो. ओके, ही और शी कैन डू इट. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच वंस अगेन. सी यू टुमारो इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Yes.